Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: the body of a while loop may never execute true, false. Second, there is no way to stop an infinite loop, true, false. Third, in some cases a sentinel value can be used to signal the end of input, true, false. Fourth, using a while loop to check each input value for correctness is a form of input validation, true, false. Fifth, which of the following is not a repetition statement in Python? If statement, while statement, for statement, they are all repetition statements. 6. What causes an infinite loop? A loop condition that is always false, a loop condition that is never false, a loop control variable that is repeatedly modified, a loop body that is never executed. 7. What output is printed by the following code? str is equal to Rephactor Python index is equal to num is equal to while index less than len into str. If str index equal to 0, num plus is equal to 1 index plus is equal to 1, print num is equal to 0, num is equal to 2, num is equal to 10, num is equal to 16. No output because the code contains an infinite loop. The answer of the question is first, false, second, false, third, true, fourth, true, fifth, if statement, 6, a loop condition that is never false, 7th, num2. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye. If you have